The wind got behind it. It was a wind-driven fire. We added a bunch of resources to it to try and get a hold of it, but obviously the weather and the fuels have allowed it to expand.
We need people to leave now while they can. Earlier this evening I was in areas that had been ordered evacuated and saw residents attempting with small hoses and other tools to combat a fire that was simply out of control. Not only do they jeopardize themselves and their lives, but they jeopardize the lives of firefighters and others that have to come and try to rescue them from these circumstances.